Cox Round Table. Cox Round Table basically is an international network of business leaders working to promote a morally and sustainable way of doing business. The Cox Round Table, under its guidelines, lays down key stakeholders, which basically includes the customers, employees, shareholders, suppliers, competitors, and the communities. The Cox Round Table further lays down 7 principles which every responsible business must follow. The first principle being respects stakeholders beyond shareholders. That is, a responsible business has a duty to contribute to the society, maintain the economic health and viability of all the stakeholders, and work for the interest of the stakeholders. Okay, so the first principle is respect stakeholders beyond shareholders. Moving on to the second principle, which says that contribute to economic, social, and environmental development. A responsible business is required to recognize business that are failing or lacking in economic development. Recognize them. Second, contribute to the economic, social, and environmental development. And third, enhance the society by prudent use of resources, free and fair competition, innovation, etc. So the second principle being contribute to economic, social, and environmental development. Moving on to principle number 3, which states that build trust by going beyond the letter of law. It basically means that the businesses need to recognize business behaviors. Although they are legal, the consequences should not be adverse to the stakeholders. A responsible business should adhere to all the letter and spirit of law. Further, a responsible business should always be truthful, transparent, and keep all the promises. Moving to principle number 4, respect rules and regulations. Basically means a responsible business is required to respect the local cultures, traditions in the place or the community where the business operates, and also at the same time respect all applicable national and international laws. That is principle number 4, respect rules and conventions. Moving to principle number 5, support reasonable globalization. It means that as a participant in the global marketplace, a responsible business is required to support open and free, fair multilateral trade, and also support domestic rules and regulations reforms. Principle number 6, respect the environment. Here, a responsible business is required to protect the environment, improve the environment, and avoid wasteful use of resources. Protect, improve, and avoid. And at the same time, ensure compliance of best environmental management practices. So the principle number 6 is respect the environment. Principle number 7, avoid illicit activities. Basically, activities like corrupt practices, bribery, money laundering, and such other illicit activities should be avoided by a responsible business. So basically, a responsible business should not participate in these activities and should also not facilitate transactions involving such activities. Thirdly, a responsible business should also actively support and prevent such illicit activities to happen. So the 7th principle being avoid illicit activities. So to conclude the principles, 7 principles. First principles being respect stakeholders beyond shareholders. Second, contribute to economic, social, and environmental development. Third, build trust by going beyond the letter of law. Fourth, respect rules and conventions. Fifth, respect the environment, support responsible globalization, and last, avoid illicit activities. So herein, if we analyze three principles, deals with respecting, that is respect stakeholders, respect rules and conventions, and respect the environment. Next principle deals with contribution to the environment and development. Next deals with building trust. Another deals with globalization, and last deals with avoiding illicit activities. So these are the 7 principles of Cox Round Table. Thank you.